Hi friends, today in this video we will be learning an interesting trick of protecting MS Word document from editing. Let's understand this in detail. This document is terms and conditions of the engagement as trainee. This document contains the terms and conditions applicable for the trainee and the same should not be modified by anyone. And every time it is very difficult to read and verify all the terms and conditions applicable for the trainee. To avoid this, it is better we examine the document at one time and protect it from editing all the standard terms and give permission only to enter the basic details. Now in this document, we need to give permission only to enter the name of the trainee, ID number and address, and not to make any other changes in the terms and conditions. Now let's protect the document from editing. Select the tab of review. Come and click on restrict editing. With this on the right side of the document, you will see the options of restrict editing. Now select the point number 2 of editing restrictions and click and activate the allow only this type of editing in the document. By clicking, we will activating the drop down list of the editing restrictions. Click the drop down list. Select no changes, read only. After this, you select the parts of the document you are allowed for others to edit. In this document, you need to give permission to enter the details of the trainee, ID number and address. Yes, select those fields. After selecting, click and activate the option of everyone. When you do this, you are able to see the brackets in the selected location. The brackets are the symbols for editing. To complete the process, click on the tab Yes, Start Enforcing Protection under the Start Enforcement category. Now the system will ask for the password for protection. Enter password and re-enter the same password to confirm and click OK. Now on the right side of the document, you can see the statement of this document is protected from unintentional editing. You may freely edit in this region. Click on the tab of Show all the regions I can edit and make the editing. The areas permitted for edit will be highlighted with light gray color. Now go to those areas and make necessary entries. Now I am entering the name of the trainee, ID number and address. Now I need to change the address as present address. Let's try. Not possible because except for the permitted areas, all other areas of the document are restricted from editing. This is really a great tip which will help us to manage our task in an effective manner in our day-to-day jobs. Thank you for watching it. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.